Optimize your video description. Video descriptions are a vital part of the viewing experience, and it pays to optimize them for maximum impact. When viewers search for videos, the description is often the first thing they see. It should contain relevant keywords and capture the viewer's attention. But there's a delicate balance between providing informative, valuable details and overwhelming the viewer with too much information. After all, YouTube only displays the first 2 or 3 lines of text. You should put essential information first, such as an enticing call to action or any relevant links. When crafting your description, consider it an extension of your video. Use keywords that accurately describe your topic, but don't stuff them in. You should also use the description to provide context and give the viewer a preview of what they're about to watch. Finally, be sure to proofread your description. Typos and incorrect grammar are unprofessional and make your content harder to find. It's also essential to make sure your description looks good on mobile devices as well as desktops. In short, take the time to craft a description that accurately reflects your video and entices viewers to watch. With the right approach, you can ensure your video stands out and gets the attention it deserves. And if you like this video, please click on the like button below. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Big Funky Media. Thank you.